Ingersoll Rand's legendary Type 30 air compressors have been providing unsurpassed performance in the most demanding applications for over 75 years. The Type 30 compressors are recognized as the industry's benchmark for quality, power, and reliability. That's why they remain the world's best-selling reciprocating compressor. Whether you're a small shop owner, auto body or repair business owner, or work in a demanding industrial environment, there is a Type 30 air compressor that will meet your needs. Warranty on the reciprocating pump extends from 1 year to 2 years with the use of appropriate maintenance kit. See below. Drive, belt, max PSI, 175, low oil protection, no, volts, 230, drain system, manual, HP, 10, package type, standard, air tank size, gal 120, aftercooler included, no, air outlet size, in 3/4, stage, 2, pump life, hours 10,000 plus, duty cycle, 100%, portable or stationary, CFM at 175 PSI, 35, tank type, horizontal, pump, cast iron, splash lubricated, dimensions LXWXH, in 73x28x51, motor phase, S3 in the description to get this product today at the